Hey guys, Senjo here. Welcome to my channel, Texo Academy. Thank you so much for stopping by to check out my videos. In case you are new to my channel, I make videos on how to make money online as an affiliate marketer. So if you're interested in this niche, do well to hit the subscription button below. And if you're already new here, give me a thumbs up and let me know what you think about these videos in the comment section below, so I know the kind of values to dish out to the community. So let's dive in.
If you're in search of a high converting product to promote on Clickbank, then watch this video to the end. In this video, I'm going to be showing you my 4 strategies for discovering hot selling products to promote on Clickbank. First thing first, if you want to build a sustainable business online, then you will need to consider building your reputation first. To do this, you have to ensure that all products you promote adds value to your email subscribers or to your desired customers. So let's dive into Clickbank website to identify the hot selling products to promote. Now, if you have an account on Clickbank, then just log into your account. Then once you are logged in, click on the marketplace, which is on the top of the website. Depending on your niche, you need to select a product that matches your email list. Okay, now I'm just going to go ahead and select a product, then we'll use that to illustrate my strategies for discovering hot selling products to promote. Okay, let me just go into health and fitness. Okay, first thing first, the first thing you need to consider when selecting a hot selling product is the gravity. Okay, so once you're on the page, once you're on the category of your niche, then all you just need to do is to sort it out by gravity. Okay, now I recommend gravity above 50. Okay, gravity above 50, it's a good start. Okay, now as you can see, the first product here is Cinderella solution. Now the gravity for this is 428.42. now what this entails is that there are so many affiliates out there making sales for this particular product. Okay, so that's the first thing you need to consider. Ensure that the gravity is very, very high. Okay, it is a good symptom for high converting products. Okay, another thing you might want to consider is the average dollar per sale, which is by the top right here. Okay, now as you can see, for this same product, the average dollar per sale is 33.98 cents. Okay, so it also matches our criteria for selecting hot selling products. Now I do recommend at most $40. If you are a new affiliate, you need to consider this very, very well. Okay, you wouldn't like to go and start promoting products that are on the high side. For instance, start promoting product like this Organifi, $74. Okay, now this is a good product also. As you can see here, the gravity is 77.52. okay, it's also a good product too, but the price is very, very high. Now if this is your first sale, then you might consider going for products that are cheaper. Okay, but nevertheless adds value to your subscribers. Value is the main thing, guys. You just need to ensure that you protect your reputation online by giving out to your email subscribers products that will add values to them, to their lives, and to their businesses. Okay, now let's go back to Cinderella solution. Now as you can see, the price is $33.98. now this is also inexpensive. All right, so like I said previously, the maximum you should go for is $40 for a new beginner. Okay, another strategy that I consider before selecting a product to promote on Clickbank is upsell. Now if you are looking at a sustainable business online, then you need to consider products that gives you recurring income. On this page, Cinderella also has an upsell. What this entails is that they are not just going to buy only this product, Cinderella solution, they are also going to buy other products in the sales funnel. So this is a very good symptom that you need to consider when selecting a product to promote on Clickbank. Another factor that you might like to consider in selecting a high converting product on Clickbank is the sales page. You might want to take a look at the sales page of each product that you want to select to promote, to ensure that it can convert, it has that ability to convert very well for you. Now we are still going to use this product, Cinderella Solution. Let's just take a look at their sales page. Now one thing you need to take note of is that a video sales page converts more than a text sales page. Okay, now if you have a video played out in the sales page where you draw your traffic to, where you draw your customers to, or your email subscribers to, then that's going to convert pretty well for you. Now let's go to their sales page. As you can see here, there is a video right in front of this sales page. Okay, and that's all you're going to see on this page. You see that? So now let me just play the sound so you can listen to that. So as you can see, your customers get to listen to this video, they get to watch it, and after that they will make their purchase. Okay, now if they don't want to watch this video, they can still go ahead and then read the text version. Okay, as you can see here, if I click on this, it's going to bring up the text version. From there they are going to make their purchase. Okay, so you might want to consider this very well, because this is a great feature that you need to do. You need to ensure that every product you promote has, okay, so that you can convert very well. Okay, so another factor that I would like to share in this video, I actually made a separate video for it, is well, something I discovered recently. I've not seen it any other place, but you can watch my other video on this specifically. I dwelled so much on it. Okay, and that is installing a Facebook pixel helper. Okay, now once you install this Facebook pixel helper, what it does for you is that it tells you if the sales page of any product has this Facebook pixel installed on it. Okay, now as you can see here, 17 pixels found on this website. Okay, so these guys have installed this on their website, okay, on their sales page. Once this product, or once the owner of this product runs a retargeting ads, you are still going to earn commissions for that. Take for instance, someone you promoted this product, and then one of your email subscribers landed himself or herself in this sales page, and then after a while he or she couldn't buy this product and then goes off. Now what these guys are going to do is that they are going to run a retargeting ads for you. It's entirely free. Okay, you are not paying for it. They run it for all their affiliates. Now anyone that has come in contact with this sales page, that ads is going to get to them either on Facebook or on Instagram. Okay, so once you've seen that a Facebook pixel has been installed on the sales page, then go ahead and promote the products. Okay, now what that means is that it's going to convert more for you. You are going to earn more on it. Now if someone didn't buy today, then probably after 2 weeks the company decides to run a retargeting ads for you. Now once they join, or once they make purchase through that ads, you're still going to earn your commission. So this is a very good strategy that I use in selecting a high converting products to promote on Clickbank. I also use that in other affiliate programs. Okay, you can check out my other video. I illustrated this very well. Okay, in my next video you can see that. So that's it guys. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, do it to click the subscription button down below, and let me know what you think about this video in the comment section, and I will reply each and every one of it. So thank you, and see you in my next video.